Alright, let's do STAR 2023 Algebra 1 Part 17 by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. 11-11-22, 354 to 363. You need some money right now for college? All margins, open 24 hours. Great boss, great food, great work. You want a lot of this? They got lots of hours for you to work. You get lots of this money if you want to. But you say you don't need it. Let's get out of here. You don't need money. So let's go over here. Alright, without graphing, find the maximum of the quadratic function by using the vertex, okay? There's A, B, and C. Vertex formula is right here. So I'm going to put these numbers in here. See that what I did there? Negative 8, 2 times that. Negative 8 or negative 4 is 2. Same thing over here. So we have 2, and then f of 2. F of 2 means put it back in the original problem. Put the 2 there, put the 2 there. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times that, negative 4. 4 times that, negative 8. That's going to be 16. And then you're going to have negative 8 and 16 is 8 minus 4 is 4. So the vertex is 2, 4, or the max of this graph is going to be 4 because it's a graph that's going this way, curves like this. So the max, the high point is going to be what? 4. And the sharks say what? Feed me, please. Always. This one. Find the zeros of the function. Okay. What you need to do is set it equal to 0. X equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0. That's done. Minus 2 minus 2 so equals negative 2. Minus 1 minus 4 so equals negative 4. So the zeros of the function are what? 0, negative 2, negative 4. And sharks say, join me for lunch. Come on, please. Find the zeros of the function. Same thing. Set them all. X plus 1, x minus 5 equals 0. All of them equal to 0. So then this one, minus 1 equals negative 1. This one, add 5, so x equals 5. And this one, minus 6, so x equals negative 6. So zeros of the function are what? Negative 1, 5, negative 6. Okay. Sharks say, hey, join me for breakfast. Find the zeros of the function. Okay, we need to factor this guy out. So take the x out. We have 1 minus x squared. Rewrite it. 1 squared, x squared. 1 plus x, 1 minus x from this formula right here. Difference of squares. So we have x equals 0, 1 plus x equals 0, 1 minus x equals 0. This one, minus 1 minus 1, x equals negative 1. So we got 0, negative 1. This one, we're going to go minus 1, but negative, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, so x is 1. So we have the zeros of the function are what? 0, negative 1, and positive 1. Okay? And sharks only eat after 9 a.m. So before that, 8 a.m., you're safe out there. So we must stay on with them. Find the zeros of the function by factoring. Let's take our x out. Set it equals 0. X comes out. X comes out. X cubed, 2x squared, 35x. And this is 35, which is those two possible. 5 times 7. Does that work? Negative 5 times 7. Is that negative 35? Yes. 7 minus 5 is 2. X and x squared. Yep. That works. So now, x is 0. X minus 5 equals 0. X plus 7 equals 0. So now we have, what do we have? We have add 5, x equals 5. Minus 7, x equals negative 7. So we have zeros of the function of what? 0, 5, and negative 7. Alright, let's go. Use the rational zero theorem and synthetic division to find the zeros of the function. Okay, zeros of the function. Set equals 0. Now look at the last number, look at the first number. Last number is 15 and first number is 1. So plus or minus 15, all the factors are there. Divide by plus or minus 1. So over plus or minus 15, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 1, all over what? 1, 1, 1, 1, which is plus or minus 15, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 1. I'm going to try negative 1 first. Use synthetic division. So put it in there, negative 1. And just the number. See the number right here? Just the coefficients. 1, 3, minus 13, 50. So now that we do synthetic division, bring this 1 down here. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 1 times that is negative 2. And negative 13, negative 2 is negative 15. And negative times a negative is a positive 15. Negative 15, 15 is 0. Remainder 0 means yes, that is a solution of it. From there, we can rewrite it as x squared plus 2x minus 15. Notice we can factor this out into what? Negative 3 times 5, is that negative 15? Yes. 5 minus 3, is that 2? Yes. X and x squared. That's it. X squared minus 15, 2. So x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3, 3. X plus 5 is that? Minus 5, so x equals negative 5. So the zeros of the function are negative 1 and 3 and negative 5. Okay. Remember, sharks sleep at night, so you can go swimming out there at night. It's safe. This one. Solve the quadratic equation in the complex number system by using the quadratic formula. All right. So there's A, B, C. Put the numbers in there. So notice what happens. Negative, negative is positive. Negative 12 is 144. And this right here is going to be 160. That's going to be a negative number. The square root of negative 16 is going to be 4i. Imaginary complex numbers. Here they are. Square root of negative 1 is I. Square root of negative 4 is 2i. Square root of negative 9 is 3i. Square root of 16 is 4i. So we have divide this one by 2, this one by 2. So that's going to give you x equals 6 plus or minus 2i. So x equals 6 plus 2i, or x equals 6 minus 2i's. 6 plus 2i, 6 minus 2i. 6 plus 2i, yeah, 6 minus 2i. And remember, sharks eat only in the day. So you're safe out there. Use the rational zero theorem in synthetic division to find the zeros of the function by using the quadratic formula. Again, look at the last number and the first number. So 26, 13, 2 of 1. Over 1 over 1 over 1, so that's going to end up being plus or minus 26, plus or minus 13, plus or minus 2, plus or minus... I'm going to try the 2 from there, because I think that's lucky. So 2, put it in there, synthetic division, just the numbers, coefficients. So 1, that's going to be 2, that's going to be negative 4, that's going to be negative 8, that's going to be 13, 13 is going to be 26. 0 remainder, yes. So we have this left over, ABC, quadratic formula, because what's going to happen? Put the numbers in there. So we have negative is 4, that's going to be 16 minus 52, and that's going to be what? A negative number, negative 36, and that's going to be what? 6i, 4 plus or minus 6i over 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, so 2 plus or minus 3i, yes. So x equals what? 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i. So the answer was 2, there's 1, 2 plus 3i, and 2 minus 3i. F of x is this, and find the inverse. Okay, let's try to find the inverse of this function and graph these guys. So the inverse is, there's the original problem, set y equals this, inverse the letter, see the x and the y, switch them out, solve for y. So we go minus 4, so x minus 4 equals 2y, divide by 2, divide by 2, so x minus 4 over 2 equals y, this, or this y equals this, or this is the inverse function right here. This is the inverse of that one. So how do you graph this? Sharks say, hey, let's play in the sea. Of course. So there they are. F of x is 2x. I put a 0 in there. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 4. There it is. And I put a negative 2 in there. That's going to be negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So we got some points there. The other one, same thing. The inverse one, I put 0 in there. I got negative 4. That's going to be a negative 2. And I put a 4 in there. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0, that's 0. So I got some more points. 0, negative 2, 4, 0 for this one. And g of x equals x is just, if you put 0, you get 0. If you put 1, you get 1. Okay, so now, remember, sharks eat raw meat. They don't care. So we have ready. So we're going to graph this one. 2x plus 4, 0 and 4. So 0 and 4 means right here. And then negative 2 and 0 means right here. So this line right here is 2x plus 4. Inverse one is 0 and negative 2 right there. And then what? 4 and 0 right there. So this one here is the inverse one. See it? Inverse. And then the f of x. And then the g of x equals x is just 0, 0 and 1, 1. And it's just a line like this. And they all kind of meet down here somewhere. Alright. Holy cow. Find the roach population in your kitchen after 5 weeks. That you don't know they're there. But they're there. Hiding somewhere. They're ninja guys. So, that's what happens. F of 5. So you put a 5 here. 5. Take away parentheses. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 to the 3 power means 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. So F of 5 is what? 64. So the roach population will be 64 in the kitchen after 5 weeks. Okay, and again, you can use this machine here if you want to help you multiply these numbers out like 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Yes? I'll give you an example. Like 2, 2, you can say parentheses 2 to the power of 3, and it'll just do it for you right there. Instead of doing this, you can do this. Okay? Alright. So, roach population will be 64 in the kitchen after 5 weeks. Ah, that's it. Huh? The shark says nothing. He's real silent. It's a silent guy. He's just, I guess he must be sleeping. We would say he's sleeping. He's asleep. Shh. Don't wake him up. Okay? Because it's nighttime. It's a night sleep. It's a night sleep. Alright. Good luck. This is Professor Rafael Galvez. Oh, wait. Oh, that's it. Holy cow. What? There's no more? There's no more? Oh, well. Time to go have fun, right? Get your surfboard out there. Have a good time. Out there, Mustang Island, Padre Island, Corpus Christi, one of those places out there. Or if you got lots of cash, go to Hawaii. North Shore is good. Yeah. Lots of big 40-foot waves. It'll break your board, though, if you're not careful. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Get your Hawaiian stuff on. Look down there, the river, the road, with the ocean out there. Yeah. Not the river, the ocean. Yes. It'd be fun. 40-foot waves in Hawaii. Oh, math monsters don't scare us anymore. We know how to do Algebra 1. And these guys, they still scare us a little bit. But not that much. How about this guys? This scares a little bit. But not that much either. How about it? We saw a giant one. Like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 7, 7. They're hiding. Kind of like these guys. Giant one. Nah, Algebra 1 was more scary. How about Crunchy 2 and 3? Nope. They don't scare us at all. Then again, good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck. Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, good luck, good luck. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Okay? Bye.